All right, good day to you, sir. And it's nice to be at the Media Parley program today.
Yeah, it's a pleasure having you.
Yes,
it's a pleasure
definitely.
Having you. Thank you so much for coming.
Before we go on, we wanted to introduce yourself to us at the garage and every other person watching.
Okay, to all the fans and lovers of the garage, my name is Olawale Jimoh. I'm the marketing manager of Kia Motors Nigeria. Okay. And it's nice having you here. Basically.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Now, the marketing manager of Kia Motors.
Yes.
What does that entail?
Well, it entails, public relation, media relation, branding, communication, and I'm just saying the poster boy of Kia, basically.
Poster boy, that's trying to be very humble. Yeah, you understand that. Now we are having two vehicles now.
The Seltos and Sonet.
SUVs. Yes. Seltos. What is the target market for the Seltos and the
Sonet?
And the Sonet. What is the target market now?
Okay, the target market of both Seltos and Sonet. Like I said earlier, while we were in the Parley, the Seltos and Sonet, they are both B segment, SUV. Okay. The Sonet is the entry level, while the Seltos is the upper echelon of the B segment. So the target market, young families, the first users of SUV vehicles, students, techy design, trendy kind of demography. Those are youthful in nature. They might, the head might not be there, but at least they are youthful at heart. That's where Seltos and Sonet perfectly fits. And as a matter of fact, as well, you would see that the growing need of Nigerians, particularly for a compact XUV, is been increasing year on year. And that's what Seltos is here and Sonet is here to help, to take care of. Yeah.
Now, talking about pricing, we are understanding that the pricing is not talking about the forex right now.
Okay.
Talking about what is the options that come to it with pricing based on custom duty, or how is it handled?
Okay, if I get it correctly, you're asking,
what's
the effect of
the customs duty on this vehicle?
Okay, basically, the custom duty of Sonet, like Sonet and Seltos. What is important to note here is that both Seltos and Sonet are actually assembled here in Nigeria.
Yeah.
So there is, so there is, some kind of, according to the policy, auto policy, some kind of, tariff plan.
Yeah,
custom duty is just, is normal to every assembler in the country, and we are also keyed into the same tariff plan for every assembler, major stakeholders. Like I said, they are made in Nigeria vehicles, so they naturally fit into the tariff, plan for the made in Nigerian vehicles.
All right, sir. Now, you're telling us that these cars are fully made in Nigeria.
Yeah, they're assembled in Nigeria.
What's the capacity of the assembly plan that we have?
Okay, basically, the Kia assembly plan, which is located in Solo, I would love you to have it to be there. It's a beauty to behold. One of these days, I will, just come on board and see. Video highs with your fans with the kind of sophisticated, infrastructure that is built in Lagos there. So the capacity of the assembly plant is 27,000 units per annum. So you could boast of that kind of number, but basically the number of cars that will be assembled on a daily basis is premised on the demand and supply of the vehicles. But on the normal ground, the capacity is built to 27,000 units per annum. That is what we churn out in a year.
So okay, 27,000. That's a lot actually coming from.
Yeah, it is. And that's why I say you should be there.
We will be there. We
marveled
we want people mind to come in very quickly. We want people to see what it is you have there, what is going on, and we'll also come around, do some of these cars.
Definitely, I would love to show you around.
Wonderful.
I'm sure it's one of the wonders of Lagos.
Yes, wonders of Lagos, wonders of Nigeria, wonders of Ghana Motors.
Definitely.
Yeah, and it's been a wonderful one being with you here at Media Parley.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
And we hope to have many more very wonderful relationships and programs together.
Definitely.
Have a wonderful.
I hope you have a nice time. How about the cars? You've had time to.
Very wonderful, and
they're perfectly poised.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Nice to have you.
Thank you
very much.